Okay, guys, I am going to try to teach you about loops. Just like in the Lightbot game, a loop is something that makes our program go um, over and over and over and over and over again. Okay, so what I want to do is with every program we need to type in from bot core import asterisk from time, import sleep, and there's other things that we can always bring in. So I'm just going to create a simple loop. So my objective, my complex behavior for this is to create a simple loop. Okay? And we can name it anything. I'm going to name it a variable. I need to define a variable. Let's name it f. I'm going to make it equal 0. Okay? There's my defined variable. This is Python. And then I'm going to do what's called a while statement. While f is less than 6, give it a little space there, and then colon. Okay, so basically it says while true, some true statement, colon. So while true, it's going to do something here. So while true, while some true statement, remember we have true or false. So while f is less than 6, which is a true statement right now because f is 0. Okay. While f is less than 6, what are we going to have it do? I don't know. Make f equal f plus 1. So that's causing it to be like, it's a counter now. So every time it cycles through this program, it's going to count f equal 1. So if we open up our debug menu and we can even show you, oops, I don't have a robot attached to it right now, but you have to believe me. You'll do this with your robot anyway. So we're going to have it do something. So while f is equal to 0, the program's going to run through this and say, okay, f is less than 6, f is 0 right now, f equals f plus 1, f is net, it goes back up to the top because there's nothing else it's doing. So f now equals 1 because 0 plus 1 is 1. And now while f is less than 6, which it is, it'll do it again. F equals, so f is now 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. While f is less than 6, still going all the way up until it hits 6. So 6 is not less than 6, so then the program ends. It breaks. And that's a simple loop. We can do fun things like having the robot sing songs, and we can put a loop within a loop, which is pretty cool. And we can make it sing up from frequency 100 to 1000 or something like that. And we can call it c equals 100. So I'm defining a variable. And I'm going to make another loop within the loop. So c is less than 1000. C equals c plus 1. And then I can make it speaker dot pitch c. So the robot will then sing from 100 to 1000 really, 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 really fast. It'll go and it's using that c as a variable. So it starts at 100, starts here, and then it goes to 101, 102, all the way up to 1000, and then it breaks here, goes back to our older loop, or our governing loop of f equals f plus 1. So it's going to do it how many times? It starts at 0. So it does it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then it won't do it at 6. So then we need to define what happens after it breaks the loop. And we'll just turn the speaker dot off. And that's the whole program. So I'm creating a simple loop here. And this is a governing loop, so it's a loop within a loop. You may want to watch this a few times, and you may want to actually write this and try it with your robot. It's actually going to be a really cool way to make the robot sing. And let me know if you ever have any questions.